Oh, was it live?
Yeah, that's why I like.
Is this working? Let's find out. And
Oh.
we are. Awesome. Go ahead.
Oh, is it good to go now?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, well, I guess as promised from the previous meeting, I guess we're gonna be talking about Pygame. How about the other one, the Vampire, was for visual novel, unfortunately, because I haven't really looked into that much. But, let's go to the next slide. So. It's just a space bar.
Yeah.
Go to the next slide. Space bar. There we go. So, how does Pygame compares with the work thing we did, like SFML, Unity, Unreal Engine?
Okay, I'm gonna let you.
It's simpler to use than Unity, Unreal Engine. But it's also simpler to use than SFML, which is not an engine to begin with, but you can use it for a game. Not gonna be that good. But as for the negatives, we'll say here the fact that you still have to make a game loop. So you still have to update every object in the game. You have to make sure they're all in the same, how to say it, order, or else the game's not gonna run well. And it also doesn't have all the tools like modeling the map or anything else. You don't have that, which means you're gonna have to do it manually. You're gonna have to actually make the what are they called, images, or I guess PNGs are already used for it, and try to set it up in any way that you know or will be willing to. Next. So requirements for this one is pretty simple. VS Code is available for Linux, Mac, and Windows, so anyone can get it. It's not really probably most people who done the programming would have it in some way, but most people prefer CLang or Visual Studio, which is normal one. But it's not really going to be that hard to install, and it'll work on any system, which is pretty good. Also, you're going to have to install Python, but that one is just self-explanatory. You go to Python, you Google Python, you'll go to the Python website, and you just install the latest version of it, whichever one you like. As for the overall, I guess, requirement is just the will to do game the work, because you're gonna have to code here. I mean, we'll still do some art, I guess, music and everything else, but you're gonna still have to connect them with the code, so everyone's gonna have to work together on that one. Space. Okay, so just I spent like 5 minutes on this. Our basic idea for now is if we do discussions, if we get hopefully more people, I guess with the group we have right now. So we're creating a game idea, I guess, or just, no, I guess the genres work here. We just make an idea of what a game we're gonna make, anything we want, to be honest. As long as we can make it, hopefully. And then we're gonna have to design a game scene, or just think of how we're gonna design the game, I guess map, or game scene in general. Where the player is gonna be and where all the interactions are gonna be done. And we're gonna have to code it, so it actually all works. And that's, go next. Oh, that'll be it, never mind. That presentation was pretty simple. But that's basically what we're gonna do for now, I believe, for the next meetings. I am gonna show some examples for the Pygame. There's one that I made, although some of it was with help of ChatGPT. And there's another one that was actual example online. Let me just show it very quickly. And yes, I did. All right. Visual Studio Code. Let me launch that very quick. When this works. Oh, where's microphone? Is it those two? Oh, I see.
Yeah, those two.
All right. So first is just the code that I found online. It was the basic snake game. If we run it, that's about how it looks like. Let me see. There you go. You can control it with arrow keys. It works. At least for just the normal code that I found online, it works pretty well. Oh, right, good. Here we go. So that's basically what happened in this one. But Now let me just open mine that I did. Open game as. So here's another one that I made just very quickly in this 1 hour. At least just to show at least how it works. I'll go on in a second. So as for platformers, we can do something similar like this. The problem for this one is you're gonna have to make a physics engine, so you're actually gonna have to check collisions and, you know, give every object some, what's it called, state for where it's collidable or not, and you're probably gonna have to, you know, apply gravity to your object, or else your, you know, object is gonna fall in the first place. Also, you're gonna have to think how to limit the jump, so you don't just go up, but it actually restricts you from jumping constantly. There's one mistake when I was thinking I was doing it. You don't want your character to just fly up, basically. That's what I'm saying. So, we can do something like this, pretty simple, but I don't think, you know, for this one, the only complicated part about this one was it actually takes in an image that I painted in paint that is very bad, by the way. I can just show it to you. So, that was just a very fast one I painted. It takes that image and transfers it into actual blocks, which is what you see in the game. Those blocks are just, it takes parts of an image and just transfers them into tiles. But that's about it. That's what we can do for a Pygame. I can't really say much more about that. But I don't know. If any of you are interested in it, or otherwise, if you have any other suggestions to make the games in, I'll be free to what's it called? Feel free to help me at least in some way. So, what are we gonna do?
I think we should talk about
Expecting
the
you to-
eternal dungeon.
No, it's wrong. Dungeons of Eternity, that's how it works.
Dungeons of eternity.
You don't wanna know.
Do you wanna continue the stream?
I think he's ending the stream, man.
Exactly.